We've had a fault come on the motorhome, so if I switch it on, you'll see after a couple of minutes I get an error. I'm going to switch it on. You'll see after a couple of minutes. So I managed to get hold of an ODB reader, which is a Modus Ultra, which is a snap on. So we'll plug it into the ODB port. So port's there. Plug that in, and you can see it comes on. And we'll switch the van on, and then press scan. So switch to FIAT, click the yes button, it's loading the database, and we're 2016. Yeah, and it comes up automatic. Yes, scanning. Struggling to read through otherwise. As you can see. I don't know one of those. Okay. So code scan. No. So codes. So brake and accelerator pedal coherence signal compare failure. Yeah, it's come up with the airbag code. Body computer codes. You can see. Get that out of the way. Just a glare. It's still 6% detecting. It's found an airbag code, a body computer code, an entertainment telemetric module. Still scanning at 66%. Brake and accelerator pedal coherence signal compare failure, whatever that is, airbag. %, still detecting. So it's found a couple of codes. The ECU's got one, which was probably the airbag one. So almost 100% now, so let's see what we get. So it's found six faults, so if I save it, and then I go back, clear all grid codes, so continue. Hopefully now when I stop the van. So hopefully now when I start it, there's the code clip. No. Okay, so those that don't know, the airbag module that I've just had to have repaired, Crashdata is situated there. The first thing I've done is disconnect the battery, make sure it's away, and then there's 3 bolts that I need to try and get out. Get them out in a minute. And that's the module off, but what I'm doing is I'm going to give it about half an hour so that it's all the power's down before I release the cable, so I'll try and unscrew. What I have had to do to get to the screws is loosen this panel off here. So I've loosened those, there's only 2 pins, loosen them off and you can lift it up to get to the back bolt. So I'll give it a few more minutes and then I'll release the cables, and then I'll take the module out and then I'll send it off to Crashdata. See what I need to do. Yeah.
Are those green and blue things got to be slid over so you can slide them out?
I think they've got to be unclipped. See?
I don't know. Oh right, you push them in and then do something. No. I haven't got a clue. There's something. Oh right, that's it. I've got it.
Yeah, so I'll clip
so you push it in, and then that's it. You push them in, and then right, you've got to do one at a time by the looks of it. Not pulling out though.
Pull the module out and try and get it out.
No, it's very short. Because I've pulled them to the side. Because if you pull them to the side, then it's like.
So they've unclipped.
Yeah, I've got it. That's the one.
Okay.
I think there's an angle where you need them to be.
Okay.
Got it. It's because that foam thing's in the way as well. Okay. Oh. The foam carpet's in the way. That's it. They're out.
Okay, so then I'll just release this last bolt now, and it should come out. So battery disconnected, vehicle battery, even though we've still got power charging on the solar. I've run Crashdata and it said it's fine to do that.
What's the screw?
The nut.
The nut. Oh, is it a nut?
Yeah. There's one.
I can see the other nuts. There's a nut this side as well.
I've got that one. And then
There's one this side, just there.
it's loose. Can you screw it?
Oh, can I screw it? I'll have a go.
Release it.
Let me get my little fingers in. Yeah. Hold on. No. Oh no, that's stuck. No. Yeah. Just a bit tight. Right. There we go. It must have been just a bit of... I've got it. It must have just got stuck on the thread a bit.
So pull it out and then you just show that's the ECU module.
Do I show the numbers on the top?
There's no difference. It's a common part.
Okay.
So we've got to send. I've got to
Send it off.
Yeah.
And we should get it back.
Okay. So I don't know if any of you experience this, but like with our motorhome not being moved since probably September last year over Christmas, we decided to turn it over just to give it a bit of a run, and the airbag light came on. So I tried various things to try and resolve the issue, but whatever I tried, the airbag light didn't come off. So I scoured the internet and the forums, and I found out that this seemed to be a common fault in Fiat Ducatos. So what I've done is I've stripped the airbag control unit out. I sent it off to Crashdata on Tuesday, and today, which is Thursday, I've now received it back. So, oops, and I've dropped it already, so it probably broke. So I now received it back, and we'll install this to see if this resolves the airbag issue. So let's see if we can do it. So I've just reinstalled the repaired airbag unit, and you can see it's there. I've reconnected the battery. The only thing to do now is to try to see if it starts without the airbag warning light. So just around. Start the engine to see. Hopefully that the light is now off. So we'll now try that again. See if the warning light comes on now. Well, that was the airbag warning light that was on before. Give it a second or so to see if it comes up. Radio on. I now don't have that airbag warning light that kept coming on every time I started the van. It's now off, so yeah. Expensive, £72 I think it was to repair. However, better than buying a new unit at nearly £269 I think it was for a new unit. So you know, let's see how it goes on. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. They say though it could have happened due to low voltage. I mean, it could have happened over the winter months due to like not much good weather. I mean, I've been looking at the batteries even though I'm on solar, and it's been okay, so I don't know why I've had the airbag warning light on, but let's see how it goes.